Hello, my name is Peggy Wilster, and I'm an assistant director with Orange Technical College. We wanted to share with Sim Central Florida some great news and a great opportunity for employers with IT departments. Orange Technical College has become a sponsor in the Orlando and Central Florida area for IT apprenticeships. And we can bring this opportunity to IT departments across Central Florida, offering employers the advantage of upskilling their employees, increasing retention rates of their employees, and overall productivity of employees because they feel valued and are a part of their own growth. In the apprenticeship model, it is a collaboration between the employer and Orange Technical College. We will take your employees, we will build a curriculum around whatever your training needs are. What are the things that you would like to see in your employees? So when a person at your company, you identify a person that you would like to upskill, then you would enter them into the apprenticeship at no cost. We would then put them into our classes, and then we would work with the employer on the same sorts of competencies that they could get exposure to on the job. We wanted to bring this opportunity to Sim Central Florida because we know a number of the Central Florida employers' IT industry is a part of this organization. And we're really happy to partner with Sim Central Florida on this effort. I'd like to give Sim Central Florida's very own Mike Theis a chance to talk about his program that he teaches with us with networking system support.
My name is Mike Theis. I'm the Director of Information Security with ABC Fine Wine and Spirits. The way the OTC program works is that we have employees that come into class 2 nights a week, Monday and Wednesday from 5:30 to 8:30. This is instructor-led training with hands-on labs. The curriculum in my networking apprenticeship program is the CompTIA Net Plus certification and the Azure Fundamental certification. And again, this program was customized for Orlando Health. Employees, students that I have in my class all work for Orlando Health. And we give them that customized training so they can go both in class and online out of class to work on their industry certifications and advance their careers. And I am also an OTC graduate. I graduated from the program a number of years ago, and I'd like to introduce right now Mr. Victor Porez. Victor is also an OTC graduate. He was one of my classmates, and he is currently the Director of Information Technology at the Orlando Magic. So Victor, take it away.
Hi, this is Victor Porez with the Orlando Magic. One of the things that I want to mention to the group is, and there's opportunities for the students. Some of the opportunities that the students are going to have is to be able to participate in IT networking events. And those IT networking events could be meetings with the HDI Central Florida. Another opportunity that students will have will be local cybersecurity events with ThreadLocker. This is a company, Mayland. They provide a lot of good general security best practices for the students that they can learn. Or they have hacking labs as well. In networking with cybersecurity professionals from Central Florida. Opportunities for SIM members. Become a mentor. They can get you connected with some students. You can be the mentor for that person. That person will have a go-to person to talk whenever they need assistance. Having that special person, having that go-to person to assist, advise, ask for advice, questions, and things like that. That's something that I did not have when I was growing up.
Being a graduate of the OTC program, it's just been incredible to come back and give back to the community and give back to OTC and work with students that are just entering this program, trying to get their foot in the door and start the IT program. And being able to do that and being able to work with a school that I fully support, and the OTC program is just excellent for those entry-level students.
For me, is give back. And I see sometimes when I talk to the students how they need an opportunity, and the instructor that I had at the time invested on myself, and I want to give back. Just the fact that being able to have a conversation with a student that they might be working on hospitality or could be working on landscaping, being able to tell them a story and let them know this is what I'm coming from, and you can make it.
So any interested employers with IT employees that they would like us to train and upskill at no cost, could reach out to me, Peggy Wilster of Orange Technical College, at 407-622-2905, or you can email me at wilstem, WILSTEM, at ocps.net, and I will be happy to have a conversation with you and provide further information.
If you're interested in joining SIM or learning more about SIM, go to simcfl.org.